Hey guys, sorry I was gone, but I'm back. Welcome back to the podcast. Now, as I always say, make sure you share and subscribe and check my Elite store link in my bio and comment. Today, we're talking about how intimacy issues in the bedroom affect your relationships. Intimacy problems don't start in the bedroom. They start when connection goes silent. When emotional closeness fades, affection slowly turns into distance and routine. Lack of communication makes your partner feel unseen, unheard, and emotionally alone. Physical intimacy without emotional safety changes how love is expressed. Rejection, even unspoken, rewires your partner's trust and desire. Over time, love patterns shift from passion to protection and self-guarding. So make sure to fix your relationship. It's not about sex all the time. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.